I've been working so hard, trying to find my place. I wanna stand tall, look myself in the eye, and know that I gave it my all, reaching for the sky, to be a man of my word, through the joy and the pain.